On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money with Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This video involves a lot of steps, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to find a product to promote. To find a product to promote, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a digital product that you can promote to earn money from home. You have to select any of the categories that you want. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money on Clickbank. You can see a whole lot of them: cooking, food and wine, green products, business, investing, self-help, e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness. If you want, you can just click right here, all. Once you click on all, you are going to scroll down and then select any of the categories that you want. You can see a lot of different categories. Any of them that you want, you can just click on it to find a digital product that you can promote. In this video, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So you are going to scroll down, you can see health and fitness. Just click on it. Once you click on health and fitness, you can see this is one of the products that you can promote, Live Pure. The gravity score is very high and you can see the commission rate is $146.29. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see that is the initial conversion. You can see it right here. If you want, you can scroll down and then select any product that you want. You can see there are many of them. You can see this one right here, Alpine Lean. The gravity score is also high and the commission rate is high. You can see it right here, $134.62. As I scroll, you can see many of them. You can see a whole lot of different digital products that you can promote under the health and fitness. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the first product, Live Pure. So now what you have to do is that you have to visit the landing page so that you can get some basic information about the product. To visit the landing page, just click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page. This is the page that your potential customers are going to see before they buy the product. You can see everything in the landing page. You can see the detailed information in the landing page. You can see everything. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. So now once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. To promote it, you have to get your affiliate link. So just click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on promote, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this link, you are going to be earning a commission. So once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link so that you can get many people to buy it for you to earn a commission. If you want, you can promote your direct link or you can build a landing page. In this case, we are going to build a simple website so that we can promote this link. We are going to be promoting it every day. We are not going to promote it one time. So it is better to create a simple website so that you can be promoting this website and then direct traffic to this affiliate link. To build a free website, what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, mixo.com. Mixo is an AI web builder that you can use to create a free website without paying for anything. What you have to do is that you have to enter the information of the website that you want to create, and Mixo will just design the website for you for free. You don't need to pay anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click right here, get started for free. Once you click on get started for free, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, login, so that you can create a free account. So just click right here, login. Once you click on login, you can use your Google account to create a free account, or you can enter your first name, email address, password, and then create a free account. In this case, I'm going to use my Google account, so just click right here, sign in with Google. Once you create your account and login, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to describe the website that you want to create. You have to enter the information right here so that this AI can generate a free website for you. In this case, we are promoting this product right here, Live Pure. So now what you have to do is that you have to write some brief information about the product so that the AI can generate a free website for us. If you don't know what to write about the product, you can use Googlebot to generate some information about the product for you. So just search for Googlebot AI. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Just enter Live Pure right here. Just type it right here, Live Pure. Once you type it, click right here submit, so that it can generate some information about the product for you. As you can see, it is generating, so we are going to wait for it. You can see it has generated some information about the product for us. You can see everything. So now what we have to do is that we have to copy this information. So just highlight everything, highlight and copy. Once you highlight and copy, you are going to come back on Mixo and then paste the information right here. You can see they only need 200 characters, so let's delete this. Just delete this one right here. Once you have entered your information, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, generate site. Once you click on generate site, you can see it is creating your website, so just wait for it to create a website for you. As you can see, within the matter of some few minutes, the website has been created. So let's scroll down. As I scroll down, you can see this is the website that it has created for us. You can see everything in the website. You can change a lot of different things in the website, so you don't need to worry about anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to customize the website. For example, you can see the images, some of them are not appropriate. So what you have to do is that you have to delete them and then insert your own images. To customize your website, just click right here, save and customize. Once you click on save and customize, you are going to see a page like this. You can see they want you to pay. The basic package is $9, the growth package is $19 per month, and you can see the premium is $39 per month. We are not going to pay for anything, so just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see continue with just the free plan. Click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin editing the website. To edit it, click right here, click on this pencil icon. Once you click on it, you can edit anything that you want. In this case, we are going to begin editing the first image right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see features. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, this is the first section, this is the second section, this is the third section. You are going to begin editing them one after the other. We are going to start with the first one, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of options have opened. So what you have to do is that you have to begin entering the information that you want. You can see everything. You can see this is the description. You can see this is the title. You can see it right here. If you want, you can delete this and then type your own title right here. In my case, it is okay, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the image. If you don't want the image, what you have to do is that you have to change it. In this case, I don't want the image. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the image right here so that you can change it. Once you click on it, you can upload your own image. If you don't have an image, you are going to select this option right here on Sparless. Click on that. Once you click on it, you are going to search for the image that you want. In this case, you are going to search for lose weight. Once you type it, click right here, search. Once you click on search, you can see a lot of different weight loss images that you can use. You can see a lot of them. If you want, you can click right here, load more. Once you click on load more, you can see many images that you can use. If you want, you can click on load more, and you are going to keep on seeing different images. In this case, I'm going to select this image right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can change the image. Any image that you want, you can change it. Once that is done, I'm also going to add a call to action right here. You can see button level. In this case, I'm going to type something like get access here. You can see get access here. That is the call to action. Once that is done, you can see button link. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So we are going to come back on Clickbank, click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people click on this link, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the second feature. Click on it so that you can edit the information. Once you click on it, you can see this is the image. Click on it. If you don't want it, click on Sparless. Once that is done, search for any image that you want. I'm going to search for a weight loss image, so just click right here, search. Once you click on search, you can select any image that you want. Once the image is uploaded, you can see it right here. It has been uploaded. So the next step is that you are going to scroll down. If you want, you can add another call to action. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the third feature. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can change the image right here. So just click on it and then select any image that you want. So just search for any image that you want. In this case, I'm going to search for knee trend. Once you type the word, click on search. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select it, you can see it has replaced the other image. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see the testimonial. If you want, you can change it. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see testimonials. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can change the information right here. Once that is done, you can see frequent questions. Click on it. If you want it to show, you are going to click on it, show section, so that it will be shown. In this case, I don't want it to be shown. You can see call to action. If you want a call to action, you can click on it and then enter your call to action right here. You can see there's already a call to action. You can see it right here. In this case, I don't want the email form, so what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see show sign up form. In this case, I don't want it to be shown, so just deselect it. Once you deselect it, you can see it has been removed. The next step is that I'm going to type a call to action right here. So just click right here, primary button. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, show call to action button. So click on it so that it will be shown. Once you click on it, you can see it has been shown right here. You can change the label right here. Instead of buy now, you can type something like try it now. You can type something like this, try it now. Once that is done, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So just delete this. Once you delete it, paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, anytime people click on this call to action, they are going to be directed to a product through your affiliate link. So now we have finished customizing the website. If you want, you can keep on changing the information that you want. You can see the first one, we have not changed that image. What you have to do is that you have to scroll upwards. Just scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you can see hero. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the image right here. Just click on it and then select any image that you want. In this case, you are going to search for weight loss. Search for it. Just click on search so that you can find a weight loss image. You can see many weight loss images. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select it, you can see it has replaced the first image. You can see it right here. You can see right here there is another call to action that requires our customers to enter their emails. If you want, you can remove it, but in this case I'm not going to remove it. So now once you have customized everything in the website, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save. Once you save the information, you are going to click right here, publish, so that your website can be published. As you can see, it is publishing, so you are going to wait for it so that it can publish your website. Once you click on publish, you can see your website has been published. If you want to visit your dashboard, you are going to click right here, site dashboard. Click on it. Once you click on site dashboard, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your website. If you want to edit it, you can click right here, edit site, and you are going to keep on editing the information that you want. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on your website so that you can see how your website looks like. So just click on the website right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is your website. You can see everything in the website. You can see this is your call to action. So when people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product. Once you have finished designing your website, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to the website so that you can get many people to click on your call to actions and then buy the product so that you can be making money from home. The traffic source that we are going to be using is adhis.com. This is a paid traffic source that we are going to be using. The website is based in Nebraska in the United States, so we are going to be getting quality traffic to our website, but we have to pay. The cost per click is very low, so even if you pay for traffic, you are going to be getting high return on your investment. So this is a good traffic source that you can use to make money with your affiliate link. To begin using the website, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, click right here, register. Once you click on register, you are going to complete the sign up form so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin running your ad here. To run an ad, you are going to click on these three dotted lines. Once you click on it, you are going to click right here, buy network ads. Once you click on it, you are going to give a name to your campaign. So you can type any name that you want. Let's type something like Live Pure, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to select the type of content that you are promoting. You can see the first one is adult content, dating content, bookmaker, casino, gambling, none of the above, everything else. What we are going to be promoting is not related to any of these. So what you have to do is that you have to select none of the above. That means everything else apart from this kind of content. Once that is done, you are going to select the type of ads that you are running. If you want a text ad, you can select that. Image ads, you can select that. In this case, we are going to be using text ads, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see geographic targeting. You can see show my ads everywhere. That means you want your ad to be shown everywhere in the world. You can see the next one, show my ads in these countries only. If you select here and then choose specific countries, they are going to increase the cost per click by 20%. You can see it right here. But that is better because we are going to filter out the countries that we want. In this case, we are going to select tier 1 countries. So what you have to do is that you have to click on it and then select any of the tier 1 countries that you want. In this case, we are going to select United Kingdom. We are also going to search for United States. So search for United States right here. United States, you can see it right here. Once that is done, you are going to search for Canada. So search for Canada right here. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to search for Australia right here. Search for Australia, you can see it. Click on it. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, you are also going to search for New Zealand. So search for New Zealand right here. As you can see, New Zealand right here, select it. Once that is done, you're going to search for South Africa. Search for South Africa right here. You can see it right here, select it. As you can see, that has been done. We have selected 6 different countries. Once that is done, if you want to check the cost per click rate, you can just click right here so that you can check your rate. Let me just click on it for you to see CPC rate. Once you click on it, these are the cost per click. You can see in the United States, you are going to be paying 30 cents per every click that you get. You can see Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, you are going to be paying 20 cents. You can see the rest of the world, you are going to be paying 0.010. You can see these countries in Europe, you are going to be paying 15 cents per every click that you get. You can see these countries right here. South Africa is here. You are going to be paying 0.070 cents per every click that you get. You can see that is the amount that you are going to be paying. So now once you know the cost per click, the next step is that you are going to enter your budget right here, your total budget, the total amount that you want to spend on your ad. We can type something like $50, so just $50. Once that is done, you are going to select your daily budget, the amount that you are going to be spending daily on your ad. So let's say you want to spend $10. Once that is done, you can see ad headline. You are going to type a headline for your ad right here. In this case, I have an ad headline, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paste it right. You can see live pure, the natural way to a healthy heart and a leaner body. So that is my title. If you want, you can change it. Once that is done, you are also going to write an ad description right here. You are going to write some brief information about the product that you are promoting. In this case, I have written that ahead of time, so let me just paste it right here. As you can see, this is my ad description. You can see it right here. Once you have your ad description, the next step is that you are going to paste the destination URL right here. This is where you are going to be pasting the URL of your website. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on your website, highlight, and then copy the URL of our website. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see you can set the date that you want your ad to run. In this case, I want it to run today, so let me just select the 6th August. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see end date. If you want your ad to end in a specific time, you can select that, but in this case, I don't want it to expire. I just want to test it. If I'm getting results, I will not stop it. If I don't get results, I can just log in and then stop the ad. Once you make your choice, you are going to scroll down. You can see this is the preview of your ad. You can see it right here. So when people see the headline like this, they can see the description of the ad. Once they see it, those who like it, they are going to click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. You can see this is the link to your website right here. Once you have entered the details of your ad, the next step is that you are going to submit it. So just click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money before your ad can run. You are required to make $100 deposit. You can see it right here. If you have a discount code, you can enter it right here and then click on verify. But in this case, we don't have a discount code. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. I have read and agreed to his user agreement and privacy policy. Check on it. Once you check on it, you can click right here, pay with card, so that you can use your credit card to make payment. If you want to pay by Skrill, you can just click on it and then make your payment so that your ad can run on this website. It is very simple, so make sure you go and take action so that you can be using this method to make money on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.